Hello YouTubers, welcome back again. Today we are going to see how we can insert data in our table. I have already copied the required codes to creating connection object and cursor object. So let's just start our video. Let's just execute our insert query. Cursor.execute. To inserting a data, we need to write insert into now table name. In my case, it's user info. And later you have to mention your column names, the information you have. In my case, I have both information. That's why I'm just putting both column names. If you have only one information, so you can just mention one column name, contact. And later values, it is also a reserve key, so you can't change it. And again, round bracket. In round bracket, you have to mention your values. Or in my case, I have a name Krishna, and the contact number is some random numbers. Okay, now our query is done. Now let's just commit our query, because whenever you are changing data in table, you have to commit your query. To committing your query, you have to just call your connection object dot commit function. Okay, now you can just print here, print was inserted, and before that you can just mention cursor dot raw count, and here was inserted. That means the information you have mentioned in insert query, it will come in raw count. For example, if you are inserting multiple datas, then it will come in raw count, the and later raw inserted. In upcoming video, we will see how we can insert multiple values. So let's just execute our file, python3 insert.py. Okay, one raw inserted. Again, let's just insert another. Not Krishna this time. This time I'm just uh, mentioning here name as a Krish and number is 0000. I didn't count the length, but it will get inserted. Now you can see it got inserted. So that's it from this video. We will see again in next video. Please keep watching and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much guys, and please don't forget like the video.